Okay, if you do not have blind spot monitoring or BSM, I got the fix for you. It's only going to cost you about $6 from your local automotive parts center. I've been using these things ever since I started driving when I was 16 years old. I have never, knock on wood, been in an accident. A lot of it, I can attest, is from having these. Okay, so here it is. You ready? There it is. You see it? There it is. Hey, I didn't get you, but I definitely want to tell you, don't rely on that little light telling you somebody's in your blind spot, okay? That thing could fail. You never know. Always look in your mirror, and those little fisheye mirrors work amazing to tell you if someone is in your blind spot. Both sides, driver and passenger. Okay, guys, hope you like that. Till next time, aloha.